To set up classroom fees in the Educate app, click on the Fees button. Choose the fee type, monthly or one-time. For example, select monthly and set the amount to 100. Next, set the start date. You can pick today's date or any future date. Now set the duration for how many months you want to collect the fee. I'll set it for 6 months. Click Save to confirm your settings. The fee dashboard will display your settings, showing the months and whether fees are paid or unpaid. You'll also see a list of students, showing who has paid and who hasn't. You can edit the fee details anytime before students start paying. Remember, once a student pays, you can only adjust the amount, not the fee type or date. Enter your bank details to specify where you want to withdraw money. You can extend the fee collection period if needed, for example, to 8 months. As students make payments, the amounts will appear in the Paid section. You can track all payments and see when each fee was paid. If you want to give a student a discount, you can update their fee amount here. For offline payments, click Offline Pay to mark the fee as paid. After payments, the money will be automatically transferred to your wallet. To transfer money from your wallet to your bank account, click Withdraw Money. If you haven't set up your bank account yet, enter your details to receive payments. Click Confirm, and the money will be instantly transferred to your account. You can see the transaction status here. That's it. You've successfully set up and managed your fees in the Educate app.